It's hard to describe how this place makes you feel. Peaceful, mysterious, and free. Everything lies in perfect balance. Become an explorer and discover one of the best preserved natural treasures in the world. Find the beauty of the unknown. Experience its culture and become one with it. Natural, healthy. This land gives rise to products of outstanding quality. Feel delight in its flavors. This place is waiting to be discovered. Because it's not the things they do, but how they do it which makes a difference. Feel ecstasy. Feel unbound. Know the adventure behind the unknown. Because Orellana is not just an ordinary place to visit. It is a province to be discovered with all your senses. Orellana, feel the Amazon of Ecuador.